so good. What lace? I think I just found my wig for the summer. I know I found it. I am shook at how good this turned out. Let's get into it. Let's just get into it. But first, can we get into the details in this lace? This wig is simply gorgeous. And no, I didn't style this. It literally came styled like this for me already. And this only took 3 minutes to install. The perfect summer hairstyle. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at this hair. Look at this HD lace. Like, installing Ali Pearl Hair's 28-inch 250 density water wave pre-braided wig. This is 13x6 HD lace. And this is their pre-everything wig, pre-pluck, pre-cut, pre-style, pre-bleach, pre-everything. They even included light baby hairs for us. And this wig just ate all around, from the lace to the curls to the braid pattern to wear this. Stop looking for your summer hair and check this one out from Ali Pearl Hair.